Hey everyone, today in this video I'll show how to create a Google Tag Manager or GTM account in short form, and then after creating the account I'll give a brief description on what is Google Tag Manager and why to use Google Tag Manager. So let's begin. So first you open your browser and then log in your Gmail account or Google Workshop account. So I've already logged in my account on my browser, so I'm gonna go ahead and search GTM, and then you click on the first link, which gonna bring you to tagmanager.google.com, or you can create as much as or as many as Google Tag Manager account you need. So we manage a lot of GTM's account here, but you will see an empty dashboard where you can see the only create account thing. And then when you come to this interface, you click on create account. So here's two things you need to select. First is your company account name, which should put your business name. So today I'm creating this GTM account for this business called Lead Chain K9. So I'm gonna put the business name, and then your country, you select your country though. So country is United States, and then click on this, share data anonymously with Google Ads and other, and you put your website. Control-C. So I'm gonna blur the website, but yeah, you put your website here. So those name and the website, it will not have any impact on the actual Google Tag Manager. So this is called an account, or you put your name and the country, and this is called a container where you actually create the tags and everything for setup conversion trackings, which we're gonna use the account for. And then you select the location where you're gonna put the code in. So we're gonna put the GTM code on our landing pages to track conversion from Google Ads, right? So I'll go ahead and select web and create. You accept the terms and conditions, yes, and soon we'll have a GTM account. Here we go. So as soon as you create the account, they give you a code. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy and paste this code on this doc, and then give this code to my developer who gonna put this code on every landing page. So yeah, you're in your workspace. This is the interface you're gonna see after you create the Google Tag Manager. And if you click on GTM and you have this code, you can see the code again. Now what is Google Tag Manager? So Google Tag Manager is a free tool from Google to So Google give you this code, right? So you can put this code on your landing pages or website once, and then you can set up all the conversion tracking on this actual tag manager account. So don't have to tell your developer to code and to put a code on the website every time you change something on the tracking, or on put a new conversion tracking code, and on if you put this code, the one-time code on your website, and from this account you can, from this Google tag manager, you can track any type of conversion, or put any type of conversion tracking codes like Facebook pixel, LinkedIn pixel, Pinterest, or anything. So that's it for today.